Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a shoulder roll pass or shoulder roll side pass, depending on who you talk to. It is going to be really useful if you already know how to do a shoulder roll, and it's going to be really useful if you've already done something like a side pass. Links to those in the description below to make sure that it's easy for you to find those if you want to go back and look at them. But without further ado, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's more of a finesse than anything else. So it comes off a left-handed return, we go back, we return the lady, we stay close. This looks like a standard shoulder roll with one small change. So what we're going to do is we're going to be bringing the lady's hand forwards. We're actually going to pop the thumb underneath the lady's fingers as we do this, which is different to a standard shoulder roll. But we're going to be bringing the elbow across, up, back across, being careful not to clout the lady, hence why we take the circle that way as opposed to just bringing it up and through, because that's going to get a lot closer to the lady. So we go over the top. That thumb allows us to hang on to the lady's fingers with a little bit more pressure than we would normally get, because normally we just hook the lady on the shoulder. If you try this just hooking the lady on the shoulder, usually you will end up losing the lady as you try to make this happen, because what's going to happen now, guys, is we're going to turn to our left. The shoulder's going to go backwards in the process, which starts the lady moving forwards. We let go, we come down the outside of the arm with the hand, so as the lady slides away from us, we're then down to a left to right grip. So let's do that again. We'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, return the lady 2, shoulder roll 3, hanging on as opposed to letting go and just hoping the lady's going to give you enough contact on the shoulder. Turn left, get out of the way to drive the lady through. 4, down to the hand. 5. Okay, little bit of practice and all the pressures will feel nice. It'll often feel awkward when you first start doing shoulder rolls because it feels like you're going to clout the lady, so you've got to learn to get past that. And you don't want to be gripping hard at any point. You just want to be increasing the tone between you enough that when you step back and open the door, the lady wants to go through it as opposed to just leaving the arm and letting you go on your own. So let's try it. 5, 6, shoulder roll, pass. It's a back. Return, roll, through and catch. Just like that. Hope you enjoy it. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move. It's a good move. Like it. Subscribing promotes the channel. We're doing our best for you here. So if you subscribe, you're helping to make that work better. So thank you very much. And the notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end in one of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video, so you've got something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.